Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures, and I'm going to be putting this resistor, this heater blower motor resistor in. It's a Napa part BR286. I'm going to be putting it in this 02 Mustang. I'll put the extra number of years that it fits, but let's get at it and get this thing in. Now, various things can happen. I have no 1, 2, 3, but I have high. Well, it feels good. But 3, 2, and 1, nothing. So I've seen them work where it only works on 1 and high, or the middle 2. 9 out of 10 times, it's the resistor. So let's show you where this goes. Open your glove box. Just pop these in. Okay. Just pull them in so the glove box moves down. That's it right there. Okay. 2 8mm, so you can get it from underneath, but I just wanted to show you where it is. Okay, it's hanging down. It's pretty gross. That's probably why it was done. Anyway, to take this off, there's just push in on that, and oh, this one came off pretty easy. That's it. Look at that, huh? Now it only goes on one way. Let me get that lined up there. Give it a little push, and I don't push on this stuff here. Don't push on that. Just hold it by the edges. Now make sure that gasket's on or you'll get a leak, okay? Now, you just reverse your process before I do anything. You know, before I tighten it up. Oh, look at that. Works on every speed. Woo-hoo. Okay, I just wanted to do that before I put the screws back in, and now I'll throw the screws back. Okay, do you see right there? There's a nib, little bump, and that goes in the first hole on that side. See how there's 2 holes there? One goes on that. It's like a locator pin, okay, before you put your screws in. There it is, reattached, all the wires on. So now I can just push the glove box in, throw my insurance card back in, and it's done. Okay. So we have air on number 1. Oh, air on number 2. Air on number 3. Air on number 4. That's what we replace. Turn this down. See? Now, when I talk to you, there's the gasket in the back, okay? You want to make sure the gasket goes in, because if not, you'll get a draft. The next thing, that is the locator pin, okay? So, I'm facing the front now, so it goes in like that. That's how it goes in, so that would be at the top. So, when I was reinstalling it, I put this in, and I put it up into place, and I just reached in through the hole of the glove box and just tightened in the screws, and then went up, and I used a 1/4" drive 8mm socket, and I went up from the bottom and tightened it in, like so, okay? It was pretty easy. It took me all of, including shooting, 10 minutes. So, you'll save a little bit of money doing it. Anyway, that's it. Now, the pieces are falling off this. It's trashed. It's done. Rusty, whatever. It served its purpose, and I think this is the original. Oh, there it is. That's why it probably wasn't working right. Could be many reasons. All I know is, yes, air conditioning. Okay, guys, that's about it. Hope this tip helped you out a lot. If it did, leave a little comment. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.